First question, OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. So here the answer is A. Next question, layer 1 of the OSI model is physical layer. So here the answer is A. Next question, in OSI architecture the routing is performed by network layer. So here the answer is D. In OSI network architecture, the dialog control and token management are responsibilities of session layer, and in this layer we can communicate from one device to another device using dialogues. So this answer here is session layer, answer A. Next question, to which OSI layer does Ethernet belong? And here the physical transmission between one device to another device is happened in physical and data link layer. So here the answer is Ethernet is a connection between one device to another device. So here the answer is physical and data link layer. So here the answer is A. Next question, session layer checkpoints are, and this checkpoints added in between the data, it allows to resend the portion of file. Instead of sending entire file, we can allow the portion of file to resend. So this is the concept for adding checkpoint in session layer. So here the answer is A. Next question, which OSI layer handle physical address and network topology? And here the answer is C, data link layer. Next question, which OSI layer perform code conversion, code formatting and encryption? And this encryption, decryption and also compression, all these are happening presentation layer. So here the answer is A. Next question, the dash layer changes bit into electromagnetic signal. So we convert this bit into electromagnetic signal to transmit the data from one device to another device. So that happens in a physical layer. So here the bits are transformed into signal. So here the answer is A, physical layer. Next question, what is the main function of the transport layer? And main function of this transport layer to ensure the end-to-end message delivery. So here the answer is B. Next question, the dash layer lies between network layer and session layer. So lies between network layer is third layer. So we have to find the fourth layer. This is session layer and fourth layer is transport layer. So here the answer is C, transport layer. Next question, node to node delivery of the data unit is responsibility of the data link layer. Node to node delivery is the responsibility of data link layer. End to end message delivery is the responsibility of transport layer. So here node to node, so here the answer is data link. Next question, in dash layer data is called frame. So another, here this question also the answer is data link. In data link layer we call the data as frame. So next question, the OSI model consists of 7 layers. So here the answer is C. Next question, the data packets move from upper to the lower layer, header or added. From up to lower we add the header. So here the answer is C.